Building a new material production line involves far more than simply buying equipment. Many companies face challenges such as unsuitable process routes, poor equipment integration, long installation and commissioning periods, and production performance that fail to achieve the expected capacity or product quality after startup. A complete production line involves process design, equipment selection, system integration, engineering construction, and installation and commissioning. Every single step affects the final production results. Boyee provides EPC Turnkey engineering services covering new production lines, capacity expansion, production line upgrades, and retrofit projects. Starting from the initial process design, Boyee develops the overall process flow and equipment configuration based on the customer's material system, production capacity target, and manufacturing requirements. During project execution, Boyee is responsible for process design, core equipment manufacturing, automation system integration, and installation and commissioning, providing an integrated service from project planning to complete production line delivery. For industries including new energy battery materials, sodium-ion battery cathode and anode materials, inks and coatings, electronic ceramics, and advanced materials, Boyee provides complete solutions covering laboratory lines, pilot lines, and mass production lines, helping customers reduce multi-supplier coordination, shorten project timelines, and improve production line stability. From a single machine to a complete production line, and from process validation to large-scale manufacturing, Boyee's EPC Turnkey solutions help customers accelerate the industrialization of advanced materials.